This is Igbo Area TV.
Hello. How the Red Igbos came to Jamaica. How the Red Igbos came to Jamaica. Happy National Heroes Day. Originating primarily from the Bight of Biafra in West Africa, Igbo people were taken in relatively high numbers to Jamaica as slaves, arriving after 1750. Besides Virginia, Jamaica was the second most common disembarkation point for slave ships arriving from Biafra. They were spread on plantations around Montego Bay and Savannah La Mar. Igbo slaves resorted to resistance rather than revolt. Many of them committed suicide because they believed after death they would return to their homeland. Igbo slaves were also distinguished physically by their yellow skin tones. Today in Jamaica, Red Igbo is used to describe people with light skin tones and African features. Igbo men were paired with Koromanti, Akan men, to subdue the men because of their belief that the women were bound to the firstborn son's birthplace. John Konu, a parade held in Jamaica, is attributed to the Njoko Ji Yam Spirit Cult, Okonko and Ebe of the Igbo. The Igbo also influenced language with actions such as sucking teeth, coming from the Igbo Emoso, and cutting eye from Igbo Ero Anya. Words were added to Jamaican patterns when slaves were restricted from speaking their own languages. These Igbo words still exist in Jamaican vernacular, including words such as Unu, meaning you, plural, Di, to be in the state of which became de. This photo shows an Igbo bride in Nigeria with red coloring similar to some Jamaicans. We just gave you how the Red Igbos came to Jamaica. Just a hint on the slave trades. Our channel is centered on the Igbo people. We talk about anything Igbo and the people that cross their paths. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.